Thanks for tuning into this week's tips and tricks here at Karl Chevrolet in Ankeny. Today we're going to be talking about syncing a device to Bluetooth in your new Chevrolet. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I want to make sure that I got my phone ready to pair. So on my iPhone, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unlock my phone. I'm going to go into the settings icon, and I'm going to make sure I'm on the Bluetooth screen. The next thing I'm going to do on the vehicle is I'm going to go ahead and go to the home screen and make sure I go to the phone setting on the display. Once I get to this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start a pair device from the vehicle. I'll start to search for my Bluetooth device on my phone. Once I see it on my phone, I'm going to select on Chevrolet MyLink. I'm going to go ahead and accept through the prompts that it gives me both on my phone and the vehicle screen. So I'm going to go ahead and pair, as well as press yes on the display. It'll then ask if you want to sync contacts, and if you're on a Samsung device, it'll ask if you want to allow messages as well. I'm going to go ahead and allow to those, so that way the vehicle has full access to all the contacts and messages in my phone. Thanks for tuning in for this week's tips and tricks here at Karl Chevrolet. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message or stop on out and see us exit 90 at the Rock.